Web-based data solutions from Schlumberger Water Services. Know your world. Security and design. HydroManager contains patented security technology to help ensure your data remains safe, yet accessible. Within the application, tabs across the top help organize the data. Tab visibility is controlled by login permissions. Users can configure the system in terms of tab order and visibility, etc., to their own preferences. Almost all portions of the user interface can be easily customized to adapt to your needs. Typical customizations include changing the color scheme and logo to match client preferences, the addition or renaming of tabs, creating customized complex reports and/or data views, and translation to other languages. As you watch the rest of this presentation, it is important to remember that the look and feel, and even the content of the modules, may be tailored to your specific project needs. The examples shown here are for illustration and can be adjusted as necessary. Integrated Smart Views. Leverage your databases to show more than just data. Integrated views visually answer fundamental site questions. Holistic data integration via Smart Views means that data are transformed to visually answer key operations-level questions. In this example, the question was, do I have enough water to supply my state? Such views mean that problems are caught earlier and needed system adjustments are more obvious. Further, integration with simple stochastic models means that you are able to consider future scenarios based on real data, with better support for mid to long-term planning and quicker transition from reactive to proactive management. Also within HydroManager, users may choose to configure simpler, well-based dashboard criteria for relevant parameters. This allows you to quickly determine whether production or monitoring wells are performing as expected. Integration with SWS desktop tools. The data tree in HydroManager has been designed to mimic the HydroGeoAnalyst tree structure, and the main window displays the record information based on tree selection. Data integration within SWS desktop tools means that a simplified process for technical teams working with large data volumes is available. This allows you to better control your data and ensures that staff are working with the most current data sets. Borehole logs are also accessible through HydroManager on demand. Simply right-click to view borehole logs for selected wells. HydroManager provides on-the-fly filtering and selection of data. Users can sort or set filter criteria for the data in the tables, as well as export the data to Excel, HTML, Word, text, or CSV format. Another nice feature is that any query designed in HGA becomes accessible through HydroManager right away. And cross-sections that are published from HydroGeoAnalyst are immediately accessible through HydroManager. Having technical output such as these options visible to HydroManagers as it is produced means that mistakes and discrepancies are caught and corrected earlier. As well, information is more easily communicated between stakeholders without needing to install software on desktop machines or pay for additional licenses. Robust reporting. No system can meet all reporting needs out of the box. The data that you are interested in may change in time. HydroManager provides many ad hoc reporting features, including tools for editing the report content and layout, saving report changes, printing, exporting, and opening reports in new windows. Additionally, it provides the ability to define key performance indicator criteria for each report record and color code the status for quick reviewing. The benefits of such features include easy configuration and tracking of your own reports using a simple design interface, and you are not tied to SWS for every reporting change you want to make. Ad hoc reports support many different report types. Custom reports can also be designed by the Schlumberger team for routine reports. These can be easily copied and pasted into Word documents, Excel, or saved as PDFs. This means that you have the ability to generate standard regulatory reports with one click. Additionally, users can subscribe to automated reports to be received via email. Users with appropriate permissions can subscribe and receive whatever automated reports interest them. Notifications and alarms. Automated notifications and alarms provide 24/7 surveillance, faster response times for critical KPIs and parameters, more effective communication for key stakeholders, effective tracking of missed deadlines and deliverables, and reduction in manual data efforts. Notifications can be displayed within HydroManager or via email. Notifications don't have to be related to data content. Notifications can also be sent when certain events occur, such as new data being uploaded. Driving from maps. HydroManager also allows you to work in a spatial context, letting you drive by the map. Some of the features available include tools for zooming and panning, map and layer control, accessing core HydroManager functionalities, and online help documentation. Additionally, you have the ability to control scaling, measure distances, and have tools for data selection. HydroManager allows users to select a group of points and then access data in different formats, such as simple tabular output, borehole images, hydrographs, or other formats to suit your project needs. Such spatial data navigation means that data are always presented in context. There is quicker identification of spatial trends and considerations, more intuitive navigation and data browsing, and improved error and consistency checking. Well permitting decision support. An optional extension in HydroManager is the online system for well permitting application and approvals. This enables easier permit searching, faster processing as there is no need for manual data entry, and up-to-date evaluation of current permits in relation to nearby active permits becomes possible. Permits are grouped according to process status. Decision support criteria can be defined for different types of well permits, whether they are agricultural, domestic, or industrial, as well as criteria related to potential well interference, which are based on density metrics. Evaluation of permits against consistent sets of standards means that regulatory guidelines are upheld and permits are assessed objectively. Automation of assessment criteria means that faster turnaround time is available for applicants and there is less work for agency employees. Integrated map views allow permit staff to visually inspect new permit requests in relation to all existing permits. Going public. Many clients also have a need to provide public access to portions of their data. HydroManager integrates with HydroAccess for quick and simple sharing of approved datasets with members of the public. Data connections to HydroManager already exist, providing a smooth flow between the public and secure sites. This means quicker development and deployment of the public site and user-configurable content publishing to the public site from within HydroManager. A large map window allows users to drive from the map. Additionally, you can visualize contextual information about a selected well. Individual well information can be viewed by clicking on the well in the map window. This includes an option for water level graphs, while clicking on the well name provides other information, such as time series graphs with limit criteria or well construction and location information. Another powerful feature is animation of data over time. In this example, acceptable water levels are circled in green, low water levels are circled in red, and high water levels are circled in blue. This data can be played over time to see how the conditions are changing. Thank you for watching this presentation. You can visit www.swstechnology.com for more details.